Okay, so today we're going to learn about how to calculate the percentage composition of a compound. So for this example, I'm going to take nitric acid, which is HNO3. Now the first thing I need to do is I need to calculate the mass of this compound. So I've got 3 oxygens and each oxygen is 16. So 3 times 16 gives me 48. Next, I have nitrogen, and I have one of these, and the molar mass of nitrogen is 14. Okay. And then I have one hydrogen, which has a molar mass of 1. Now, if I add all this up together, so 48 plus 14 plus 1, I get a grand total of 63. So 1 mole of nitric acid is 63 grams. Okay. So, for my percentage composition, I'm just going to move this over here. My percentage composition, composition is equal to the mass of the element. Let's move you over a bit more. So the mass of the element divided by the mass of the compound. So now that we've got this formula, if I wanted to calculate the percentage of oxygen, okay, if we go back and we have a look, we can see that the mass of oxygen in the compound is 48 grams. Okay, so my percentage of oxygen, is equal to my mass of oxygen, which we said was 48, and we're going to divide that by the mass of the compound, which is 63. And then multiply by 100 because it's a percentage. So if I do this, I get my percentage of oxygen is 48 divided by 63 times 100, and this gives me 76%. Okay. I can now calculate all the other percentages of all the other elements that are in the compound as well. So I could start by doing my percentage nitrogen. So my mass of nitrogen in the compound was 14. My total mass of my compound is 63 multiplied by 100. And if I do that, so 14 divided by 63 times 100, this is going to give me 22%. And then finally, we can calculate our percentage of nitrogen. So my percentage of hydrogen. So I have 1 hydrogen, which weighs 1, over 63 times 100. And my percentage of hydrogen comes in at 2%. Now, if I add up all my percentages for each of the elements in the compound, it should add up to 100. So let's just have a look and check. So we've got 76 plus 22 plus 2, and if I add all that up together, it comes to 100. So there I know that I'm not missing any elements and I haven't made any mistakes.